Hey, this is Mark, and this should be a pretty straightforward, easy one. Let's start with the note. This is an iPhone 8. It says, was performing a housing swap and device would not light up. Put parts back into original housing and still having same issues. The device worked fine prior to disassembly. Believe the issue is with backlight on logic board. Well, I'll be the judge of that, sir. Maybe it is. Maybe it is backlight. So, let's see. What did this guy do to this poor iPhone 8? Look at that. He knocked that guy off. We got 1, 2, 3, fourth pin up. What is that guy? Let's see. All right, give me a second. We're getting there. We're getting there. Getting there. All right. Let's see. Gotta move that down. Oh boy. Okay. That's not working. Probably should have worked that out beforehand. All right. Anyways, got an iPhone 8 Plus up here right now. What do we got? What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. We're not working on an 8 Plus. We're working on an 8. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is AP to display. Mine is AP to display reset on L. So that just goes to CPU. Goes from CPU to the screen. It is a reset line for the screen to talk to the CPU. And if that is not present, you are going to get no image. So let's build this board back up. All right. Get rid of this. Go. Wrong monitor. There we go. All right. Back to the board. Where are my little filters? There we go. Found you. Found you guys. Got my teeny little filters here. Oh, dropping them on the floor. Funny story. One time I ordered these filters, which are they're used in many different locations across many iPhones. So back in the day, back in the old 5S days, I remember ordering some of these from DigiKey, and I ordered like 250 of them, I think. And they arrived, and I shit you not, they were loose in a fucking Ziploc bag. Like, just loose, not in a strip. Like, somebody had a pile of these filters just laying around the offices at DigiKey, and they're like, I got nothing better to do but count out 250 of these guys and put them loose in the bag. Insanity. Absolute insanity. Could not believe what I was seeing. But you better believe I used them. I used them, and they worked just fine. In fact, I think I gave those to Christy at our main office in New York one time when she wanted some, when she needed some of these filters. And she wrote on the package, I remember her writing, I think it was like they were compatible with the FL11 and the iPhone 5S. And she wrote FL11 filters, and then in parentheses, yes, they're really in here. Because looking at the bag, it looks like the bag is empty. All right, got our filter back. Let's see if we can get image. I bet we do. Bet we do. Bet that battery's dead, but we got an image there. I don't know if you can see that. I think I have a charged battery to put in here. But you don't get that battery charging symbol if you got an image problem. The only way you're getting battery charging is if image works. Come on. Come on, you sucker. We're gonna plug you in. I think my charged battery is now a needs to charge battery. Ugh. Yes, it is. We got the battery symbol again. You know what? Going with DC power supply, and then I'm gonna charge up my dead battery, turn it into a charged battery. Turn it back into a charged battery. All right. Now come on, just boot for me. Just do it. Do it. Show us that Apple logo. We can make this video be like 10 minutes long. We're at 7 minutes. Come on. We got 3 minutes for you to boot. You can do it. We're going to plug your USB in because iPhone 8s and 8 Pluses are weird about booting sometimes. Plug that USB in and they'll boot eventually. All right. Come on. Do it. There we go. Apple logo. Done. 7.5 minutes. Thanks for watching.